What's up guys, it's Trevor with Art Is in Cakes, here with another product demonstration. Thanks for checking us out online. Today guys, we are talking about Macaron display boxes and how to fold them. When you first take it off the shelf or get it in the mail, it's gonna look something like this. The first step is to fold the sides in. So just fold one side in, make a very defined crease. That's what we need. And then fold the other side in, make another defined crease. And then you fold these two little tabs on the ends, you fold them out. So right here, you fold that out. And over here, fold that out. So fold those out and then just fold these in. Fold those ends in and make those defined creases as well. All right, now we're ready to construct the box. To construct the box, we're going to put our thumbs in the creases of these two little tabs here. These tabs, put your thumbs behind them and press in. This pops the sides up and the top up like this. And you just put the top over and then just stick it down and put it in place. It should pop in place and you got that side done. If you missed it, here it is again. On the other side, put your thumbs in these two creases and press in. And it folds up and this top part sticks up and you just flip that over and put it down and attach it down there. So guys, that's the box. How do we cover it? You should have also received a clear sleeve folded like this. Just pop it out and press it a little more to make those corners distinct. Then we just slide the box into the sleeve. And there you go. There's a perfect Macaron display box. All right guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more product demonstrations and tutorials. I hope you learned how to make this box well. If you have any questions, email us at questions@artisincakes.com. We have an amazing retail store here in Little Rock, Arkansas if you are local. But if you are not, make sure and check us out online at artisincakes.com. There you can see all of our products, order them, and view descriptions and tutorials like this. All right guys, I hope you had as much fun as I did. Keep making those cakes and incredible desserts because we all know art is in cakes.